What them people here? On them drive, sir? Hi guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Happy New Year. I think this is the first time I'm actually speaking to you guys. Happy New Year. I know I'm late, but better late than never, don't it? I am actually on the road, as you can see though. I'm on my way to a, I don't know what you call this, a seminar. It's actually being hosted by JMMB, which is a financial institution in Jamaica, and it is called Elevate, I believe. It is their 5th staging of this event, and it is like a motivational, like speaking type of thing, you know. We're gonna hear from a lot of persons today.
400 meters, turn right onto South Odeon Avenue.
Yeah, so we're gonna hear turn right. All right, the person said, okay, all right. Yeah, so we're going to hear from a lot of persons, you know, that is really like encouraging you to, you know, live your best life essentially. I've been to this staging 2 previous times. I didn't go to the first one, I went to the second one in person. That's where I went, and I think it's being held at the same place that I went to. So
continue for 1 kilometer.
Okay, I'll continue. 1 kilometer. So the first staging was like, you know, just a live your best life type of thing. It was the first staging that I went to. It was in 2020. So, you know, I had my life planned out for that year, and you know, as you guys know, that was pre-COVID. So, you know, I have my life planned out. Me I say vision 2020, me I say yeah, 2020 will be my year, and then that happened. So, you know, that just put a damper on a whole lot of things. But you know, a couple years later, and I'm heading to the 5th staging of this thing. They had it, I remember they had it one time, it was virtual. I didn't really like the virtual because, you know, I wasn't really there, and you know, it was good, you know, still imparting knowledge on us all, but it's not as good as being there in person, because while they were, you know, talking and building us up and everything, you know, I was doing chores. I was just preoccupied. Now I'm gonna go, I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna hear, I'm gonna listen to everything that they have to say. So this staging, the last staging that I went to in 2020 face to face, they had the guest speaker. He was Stephen, either Barrett or Bartley, I don't really remember, but he was phenomenal. He was great. Loved his speech, loved every moment of it. When he was talking, you could hear a pin drop. So I know a lot of persons really enjoyed what he was saying. I enjoyed the speech. Now this year they have one of my favorite personalities, Terri-Karelle Reid. Yeah, me have to say her name 3 times. Yes, so they have him, and they have a next guy, I don't know, Brunson, I don't remember what his name, but yeah, he is going to be speaking also today. And the theme or topic for today's staging of Elevate is building your personal brand. And I feel like, you know, it's very on brand for me to go, because, you know, being in social media, kinda, you know, I am very much interested in building, you know, my personal brand. And I'm in a space here, having a platform here, you know, trying to build myself in this space. I felt like it was very on brand for me to go and, you know, get the knowledge. I'm very excited to go. I'm excited and I'm very nervous because I'm going alone, and I don't like going to these things alone. I'm trying to push myself to do these things alone but you know, I am looking forward to the sessions. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like the video if you like the content, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Remember, sharing is caring, so if you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. guys could suspect.
Continue on Trafalgar Road for 1.5 kilometers.
Maybe you guys were wondering. I wonder if Kim is very late. Not very late, but I'm late. Right now I'm about 20 minutes late, but I'm almost there according to maps. I should be there in 3 minutes. So yeah, I will talk to you guys when I get there. Guys, I'm walking into the event.
Now, depending on what you think of it now, of a life.
Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
So I know that the products will do well on Etsy, but I'm Jamaican. I'm not sure if there's a solution to get the products on those type of platforms to get the products overseas.
What products do you have?
So I make satin bonnets, headbands, satin scarves, hair accessories.
Okay, so this is going to be a lot. So what you need to do, it's not going to be ethical right now anyway, because Jamaica Social Security number 1, we are part of the list of countries that they have. So you're going to have to go the hard way, which is build your brand on your own. Do a marketing plan for that brand, build a strategy for that brand, and then you build a website. You list your products on the website, connect.
I was in Washington, D.C., and I was visiting my aunt and uncle for the first time in about 5 years. I love my aunt and uncle. I love all of my family to a certain degree.
For me, look at the road. Look at how dark this place is. And they have me here. I'm gonna put this in the email. Alright guys, so I am back from the event. So let me just tell you, I am energized and I'm ready to tackle my goals. I enjoyed the event as always. This year, I just feel like each year it just gets better. Paul Brunson, great speaker. Terri-Karelle, great speaker. I enjoyed the panels. I also got to know a little bit more about this money maker, money management lady, whatever. Her name is Anna. I don't know. Her name is Anna and her channel is like making money or something on YouTube. I don't remember. But she was spitting a lot of gems. So she know exactly what she talking about. But yeah, great event as always. The only thing I didn't like is that we were at the AC hotel and there was not enough parking for all of us at the hotel. So we had to park in the empty lot on the other side, which is fine. I don't have a problem with that. But the event finished in the night and it was very dark. I thought an empty open lot, no lights, no nothing, and I don't know the area, so I felt as if there could have been a lot more security around that side. There was nobody, so you know me, paranoid already. I run go my car, and they did send me a link to, you know, give some feedback, and I will be providing that feedback. But you know, it was a great event and I'm really glad that I went. I am so happy that I went. I am just ready to crush all of my goals. Let me tell you something. First of all, I want to big up the marketing team. This is why I want to be in marketing. The production, top tier. If you're a free event, they did a great, fantastic job. And the fact that they fed us, may I tell you, anyway, food there, you know, so me there already. So the fact that them feed we, put on this great production, it was held at a great event. Speakers, no issues whatsoever. It just up there. Them give me a book, nice book with a pen, and I was there taking my notes. Listen, the event top tier. I'm gonna share some of this food video because first of all, this is how them share the food. This is how them share the food. Top tier. You just go collect a bag and go back at your seat. And then you know, oh, give me chicken, give me this. No buffet style. Collect your food and go where you go. Love that. And the fact that they had, you know, like pastries. Them did have fruits. It was just a good experience. And I'm so glad that I went. This is my second bag of food. And I wasn't being greedy or anything, but they were just handing them out. Like them did have extra food, so they were just handing them out. I'm just collect one. I actually thought this was a goodie bag or something, so I'm gonna get one. Come team me to get like a cup, or you know, like another book, some more pen, a diary. Me don't know. That's what I thought it was, a goodie bag. What I'm looking at is a next bag of food. So them give me a salad. This is what I got in the first bag also. Them give us a nice salad with a nice dressing upon it. They even gave us dessert. Now this is some sort of cheesecake. It tastes really good. Love this. And this is the box of food that I got this time around. In the first box I got fish and chicken. And in this box I'm assuming this is 2 chicken with mashed potatoes and vegetables. Scrumdiddlyumptious, the vegetable them taste good, them don't taste like them overboiled. The potato tastes good, the mashed potato tastes good, and I haven't had the chicken because I have a little sauce on it will kind of look weird, but I'm gonna heat it up in my air fryer and see what it's giving. But yeah, I am just so happy, so blessed to be able to go and hear the words of wisdom from everybody that contributed. I'm going to be mulling over my notes and I'm going to be putting some things in place. I have decided to let the whole of January be like a goal setting month. You know, it is taking me a little while to get into the goals that I want to achieve this year. So going to that event really put things into perspective for me. And guess what? I even got roses. I got roses, girl. All right, so they had this arrangement. All the flowers are real flowers, so you know it's a top tier production. They had this arrangement and I saw where persons were taking up roses. So I took one. I'm gonna say one don't look good. I took 2. I'm gonna say 2 look nice, but I want a pink one, and I took a third one, which was a pink one. These roses! Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now. And these are real. Yeah. So I feel good. I'm gonna get 3 rows from them. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have started goal setting for this year in the comment section down below. If you like the content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.